kill you for this.
Let's play.
Screen up in the dash like a fucking Mike Jones. 281-330-8004. All my friends are black, now I feel like Paul Wall. Looking like a school shooter when I'm...
Парковочка.
Парковочка. Испуг. Испуг. И сильно ты так не гоните. Я же куда смотрел, куда же, куда и здесь. А я там разглядывал, что с такого. Так это вы много еще проехали, с такого. Смотрел, заедем.
I got friends that don't call, I got friends that don't talk. You don't want it, bitch, I promise. Leave your body to the wolves. I'm creeping cause I'm cool, smoking like it's all I do. Booming like Macaulay Culkin back in 1992.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
Way up in the rainbow. Every morning sipping the quote with the key of the weed in the punch bowl. Grab me a couple of sheets of the big banana leaves. Ready to suck up the goose like a stuck on that nigga. I'm full of that dark green. Smoky got me coughing. Smoke on the just a bit often. Stacking real like a ritual for the... I think I'm too hot for this wall. Get my head started spinning. I'm feeling real crazy. Can't keep the world still. And don't smoke that shit's no joke. My niggas know that's on the real. Homies know just where it's at. Niggas keeping back contact. Stop sex, pounds of that motherfucking chicken black. Put me a glass of the Hennessy, yeah. Inhale till I shed a tear. Get a chair. Then I begin to soar deep in the atmosphere. Listen, me roll the grunt just like a Magic American. Damn DJ Paul, my nigga. I'm full of that weed, man, let the track thump. Still I am the yelling to my nigga, smoke a joint.
Smoke a joint, 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 smoke a joint. Pass that joint, nigga. Pass that joint, nigga. Pass that joint, nigga. Pass that joint, nigga.
Gotta keep plenty bug crockin', let the shit drop. Scarecrow and killer man, rolling with the bag stop. Must let the shit flare. Why you wanna save it, flare? My nigga, you'll stop with the cheap in there, but if I keep it, put that shit in the air. Empty body, break your sex, empty out the whole bag. Roll the shit up and then we pass around the weed. Mask a bunch of niggas stand around, get their head polluted. You wanna get fucked up, the reaper's undisputed. Strangers walking up, they smell the pure and wanna get a hit. You wanna get a dose of some bitch, you best contribute. Trick, scarecrow, don't give a fuck. Gotta let the nature blaze. 666, mafia fighter, put up while we on the stage. Lounging in the back, getting fucked up right before a show. Riding out of town, smoke an ounce in back of the limo. Oh, this shit is over, man. I think I smoked 1,000 blunts till I end up yelling to my nigga Black. Smoke a joint, smoke a joint.
Smoke a joint, 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 smoke a joint. Pass that joint, nigga. Pass that joint, nigga. Pass that joint, nigga. Pass that joint.
Чё? Пропороли?
Баллон в ноль.
Да? Никитос что-то ты оттянул веревку, она натяжки нету. Ну, Никитос, ты держишь рукой, о. Фу, иди отсюда. Ты жопа слабая его задержит. Ребята, привет! Холодная?
Нет, такая, сельского
Да.
Так, там кипятильник кинули чуть выше мы, когда обратно ехали.
Got me living life in poverty, cause jobs never pick it up and now the car's empty. But watch summer come around.
О, ваша труба, да?
Где? Где труба?
Вот она торчит.
Вот это?
Хорошая труба! Да вы ее помяли! Жаба, жаба. Где? жабище.
Жабище конкретное, ну.
Ну, как вы любите гулять, а?
I hope that all of my problems get solved. Now it came around and shit is all the same. My thoughts written could begin to take it all away. I march deep into the heart of nature calling me. It's part of me and people on this rock we be. I'm getting tired of this anxiety that's on to me. Sometimes I lose my control. I'm putting holes in the wall. Don't wanna get your involved. It's best you leave me alone. Don't like this feeling at all. Who can I trust? I don't know. That's why I keep on my own. It's just the way that it goes. Some days when I wake up, I get a sense of bliss. It escapes me when the things I run away from reappear, which just makes me wanna stay in bed wasting the day. It's my life on me, I could go and waste it away. I'm afraid to admit that some days I get to thinking that maybe I wasn't made for this place that I live, cause I can't seem to fit, and the days seem to end really quick. I'm fucking done, I can't take this again. It goes. Sometimes I lose my control. I'm putting holes in the wall. Don't wanna get you involved. It's best you leave me alone. Don't like this feeling at all. Who can I trust? I